Good morning, everyone. It's giveaway time. So I'm finished with all of my cleaning. I worked really hard over the weekend. Matter of fact, I worked into the wee hours of the morning trying to get everything done. I think Saturday night I didn't get in bed until 5 a.m. I did not do any videos because I simply could not move in the craft room. I was stepping over stuff, and so I really couldn't do a video, but I'm finished and I'm ready to pass this stuff along to someone who could possibly use it. If you can't, then pass it on or toss it in the garbage or whatever, but I need to get it out. It needs to be out of my craft room for good, and then I can say I'm done, completely done, and I feel so good about all of it. The anxiety left me sometime in the middle of the weekend, and it started feeling so good to have everything in its place and a place for everything. And I love it. I still have a few things that I need to do just to tweak the craft room, to update it and freshen it up just a tad. And then I'll do a video on that. But I'm going to start off with, giving two boxes away, and we'll mail those out on Friday if you can get your information to me. Because I have, I think, 9 boxes in total. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 boxes in total. And I simply can't lug that many to the post office at one time. So we'll just do them 2 at a time, or, however. Just to get them out of here. And so all that I need for you guys to do, this is sort of like a free D-stash, although there are things that are that was specifically bought a little over a year ago for a giveaway, and I never had the time to do it with the moving, remodeling, the wedding, and all that. I just did not have time. So I do now. So let's get started. So I'll kind of show you. This is a medium flat rate box. Now, for these, I'm only going to be able to do this for my U.S. subscribers only. And I apologize to all of my international subbies, but I'm sure that you understand. There's just no way. There's a reason why I use the flat rate boxes, is because these boxes are so heavy, and if it fits, it ships. So I filled it as full as I could possibly fill each one. I will be having some giveaways for international coming up sometime in the future, but for right now, with these 9 boxes, I can only do U.S. And all you need to do is be a visible subscriber and leave a comment below. That's it. Just be a visible subscriber, leave a comment below. I'll draw a name Friday morning, and then I'll need you to send me a message with your address, and I'll go ahead and get these in the mail. So I'm going to do 2 on Friday morning. So I will give you just like a little sneak peek here of some stuff. A couple of these I went through. I had some, excuse me, I had some leftover 12 by 12 papers, so I cut them into 6 by 6 and made like a little kit to where you could make a 6 by 6 mini album, or you could do cards or whatever. And I added some embellishments and stuff in there for you as well to coordinate with the papers. This is beautiful paper pad, by the way. I think that's DCWV. I think's what this was. I can't remember the name of it. Maybe, oh, it was like Portobello Road or something like that. I probably got that wrong. Sorry. But just a little sneak peek of what is in the box. I'm not taking it all out. No way. You'll find random things. There is no rhyme nor reason to any of this. It's just filled as full as I could fill it. There are punches. Some are brand new. Some are old. Some things I've taken out of their package because it was just taking up too much room, and I was able to put more things in the box if the packaging wasn't taking up that much room. Like, I left this one right here in its package because they all go together and it wasn't taking up too much room, but you all know what I mean. So that's box number 1 that will be going out. And then box number 2 is here. Oops, it's here. And like I said, there isn't a rhyme or reason to any of this. You know, some things are like this, and they're, well, it's like a D-stash. You know, this is all I had left of these, and then there's probably more of these down in the bottom that, I don't know. I know that I had more of these, and they were all loose. I used to use those a lot. See, I'm not taking all these out. But then you'll find things like this where I only used one. This is the Prima Pebbles, and I only used one. Well, I don't have the paper pad to match these, so I'm getting rid of them. And that's sort of how I went through and did my KonMari type cleaning. I watched Lindsay, the Frugal Crafter, and kind of listened to what she had to say, and she said one thing that really hit home with me: would I buy it again? That sort of helped me, you know, just kind of keeping that in the back of my mind. Some of these things, as I was packing them up over the weekend, I was thinking, oh God, I really, really like that. I love it. And there are things that I would buy again, but I just have no room for them. So I'm passing them on to you guys. Then there's things like this. I bought this in a D-stash, and it was dirty, but I cleaned it up as best I could. It still stamps good, but it, you know, it has ink here and stuff, and there's probably initials or something on some of them. But do with them what you wish. And then there's things like this. This is a brand new stamp, and to be perfectly honest, I have no idea what all is down in here. I really don't. And if I pull it out, then, you know, I'm just, I don't know. I'm not pulling it all out. I'm just not doing that, because then I'll think, oh, I really want that. I'm not doing it. I'm passing it on to you guys. So, anyway, all you need to do, whoops, turn around there, little guy. All you need to do, be a visible subscriber, leave a comment below, and I'll draw the winner for these first 2 boxes on Friday morning. And as soon as you send me your information, then I'll go ahead and put them in the mail to you. So, talk to you guys later. Thanks so much, and thanks for your support through all of this. It really helped and really motivated me. And I feel so good about it. This room is so refreshing now. And I don't feel anxious or overwhelmed anymore when I'm in here. So, anyway, good luck to all those who enter. I will talk to you later. Bye.